Yeah, hello guys, Jake here. Today we're gonna be going over a quick video regarding an Armoury Crate issue which has been plaguing a lot of G15, G17 users recently. So as you can see in the manual mode, we don't see those power sliders anymore, which let us control the amount of wattage that we can supply to the CPU and the total power envelope that we can set between CPU and GPU. We only get to adjust fans and that's all. Like I even checked the update center, but I don't get that config anymore. So a fix of this is I have found out all the necessary configs needed to get those power sliders back. And what we are going to be doing is we're going to be moving these config files into the Armoury Crates software to like manually force it to recognize these as legit ones. So this is the path that we need to be following. In C folder, we will need to navigate to the hidden item folder. It will reveal the program data. Here in ASUS, we will see the Armoury Crate, multiple folders related to Armoury Crate. So we'll be needing this Armoury Crate config folder data. Here you can see I only have one file that's config installer. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to be taking all of these files and we're going to be putting them right here. So make sure to replace the existing file to make sure the new files are copied successfully. And all you gotta do is that's the job done. All you can now safely close out of this. And yeah, the next time you start your Armoury Crate, it should reflect. In case it doesn't reflect, all you need to do is a quick restart, and that should fix the issue. So in my case, yeah, it's not reflecting yet. I'll do a quick restart and yeah guys, I'll show it to you that the sliders are back. Be right back. Alright guys, we're back after a quick restart and moment of truth right here. Yeah, that's it. We got those power sliders. So as you can see, the platform is PPT is our total wattage that can be shared between CPU and GPU. This is the maximum power limit, and this entire 100 watt can be given to us the CPU in any CPU bound situations where only the CPU itself is working. So yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching.